Hey guys, so this thunderstorm here is really bad. Let me show you guys. So there's a lot of lightning. Just look at the sky. So, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Maybe not. I don't think you did, but... Did you see the White House? Yeah, did you see that, guys? Yeah, that's how bad the thunderstorms are over here. So, even one of the, do you see that light right there? That light right there. Yeah, that turned off because of the storm. It only sprinkled. It didn't really rain. It absolutely did not rain. Are you guys seeing this? Sorry I'm not wearing makeup and stuff. It's just I woke up on the wrong side of the bed and I was just so lazy. Cause I woke up really early. I woke up at 6. So, are you guys seeing all of this? Sorry, guys. This is all real. It's not photoshopped. I don't know. I think it's more on the right side, or actually. Yeah, it's more on the right side of the video. Like over here. Over there. But there's nothing here. It's just my dad, there's no rain though. Can't believe it. My dad just went to work. He went back to work because there was an emergency leak. So yeah, but this is a severe thunderstorm. Are you guys freaking seeing this? I'm not sure if you can see, if you can hear the thunder.